So what this is a shelf. It sits right up here in the top front, just to give you a little extra space over the bed. I'm thinking I'll store like fishing poles and stuff in it, but it's completely rotten, as was all the rest of the front. And so I got to get this rebuilt today. Since I've got a little bit of shade here, I'll go ahead and get started on what I can, get this frame built, get some sheets cut, put it together. So I was just kind of looking at it, kind of trying to figure out what's going to be best and try to match their construction as much as I can. So I'm going to build this frame, then this frame, and then put them together. And then this stuff here is actually already on the truck camper. This was part of the front frame, and when I took things apart, it came apart because it's so rotten. No big deal on that. I'll be able to just get this inside, stick it up there, hold it up, get it screwed in, and get it mounted, and we should be good to go. So anyway, with that, it looks like it's kind of built out of 3/4 plywood. At least the front is. This is 3/4 ply, and then it's got the siding over it, the plywood wall, I guess you'd call it. I don't know. I've been calling it sheathing, but it's really plywood inside wall. And I've got plenty of this. So let's just see what we need as far as materials go. I need a couple. Let's see. I need 1x2s. 1x2, 1x2, 1x2. Looks like I need lots of 1x2s. Okay, we got lots of 1x1s in it. I don't have any 1x1s, and they're not readily available at your favorite lumber store. I think I'll just go ahead and go with 1x2s. That'll make it a little heavier. I don't think that's going to matter much. Again, like I say, I got a 1-ton truck. So in these areas that they're 1x1s, I'm going to go with 1x2s. So I'm going to need 3 or 4 1x2s. I've got some here, but I'm going to need some long ones. And it's probably, let's see how long we are. It's 91 and 3/16 there. I got to check both because it could be warped and rotten. 91 3/16. Okay, I'm going to get up in there and check. Oh, that reminds me, I need to cut one more piece and get that in there. I'm going to do that right now. "12-foot reach my ass." Okay, so I'm back to putting together this front shelf. Got a little trimming to do here on the sheathing that I put on it. Okay, I wonder if these nails are long enough to go all the way through there and pin that down. I believe they are. Barely. I might need to get some 2-inch nails. That's what I need to do. Okay, continuing to work here on the front shelf. I've got to put the back in, and I painted it yesterday, and then I still obviously need to paint the front. This is recycled, recovered from a warped sheet that I had in the back when I had a major tarp failure, and it got this sheet wet. This was actually the second to the last sheet. It was a full sheet. I'll get it out. So, but I'm gonna have to replace this sheet, and right now I'm just waiting for the second coat of paint on it to dry. Anyway, so I've been able to scrounge and scrap a little bit of it out. It's got a bit of a warp in it. You know, I think maybe you can kind of see how it's warped right here. But the way it's going in here, it's not gonna matter. It's just the back of this cabinet, and it just sits in here like this. And get it evened up. Take some of the bow out of it. Yeah, see, it's going to be all right. So we're just going to staple this right here. I think, I don't know if putting any glue on there would make any difference. I don't think it would. But what I want to do is, I've got to check it for square. That has been a problem in the past for me. What do they say, a hair out of square? Okay, let's see how square we are here. This might be disappointing. Oh, it's pretty damn close, really. It's not too bad. It could go out a little at the top, but other than that, I can't really move it out much at the top. So what I can do, I think, maybe is, yeah, just like this. I could bring this out here. Try to get that lined up. Come on. Okay. Let's put one staple right there just to hold it. Okay, that's not going to hold very good. They're not long enough. Let's check this other end. Oh, it's not bad at all. Oh, that's really good. All right, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to take the bow out of it. So I've learned this lesson the hard way. If you got bow in it, you got to work from one end to the other. Yeah, a couple flaws showed up yesterday that I overlooked. Some, pinholes and stuff. I'm really kind of OCDing out on the cabinets. Hi there. I think that'll do that. Okay, we're gonna let that dry out, and then we're gonna fix a couple of the other little things here.